Hey there guy, I gonna open up a packet Pokemon card. Let's see what's inside. Open like a bag of chips. Smell like Dorito. It's a lion. It's an alien. It's a god of war. It's a elf with disease. It's Joan of Arc. Scorpion. Ugly dragon. Catman. Bullpig. Dirty bird. Ugh. I don't know. Look like angel knights. It's a blue lantern. Reverberate. Soda.